Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming it's not the disk. Try a clean, known good game disk and power cycle the Xbox. If it still fails, unplug everything and move to a clear, static-free workspace. Once done, remove the faceplate and the 6 Torx screws carefully, noting screw locations so reassembly is straightforward. You do this because external factors often cause read errors, and getting the case open is the first actionable repair step, so you can access the drive and optics without guessing. With the drive exposed, disconnect power and data cables, then slide the drive out slowly so you don't stress connectors. Next, use short bursts of canned air to remove loose dust and a proper optical lens cleaner on a swab to clear smudges. This restores laser focus and improves reading. Also examine the sled belt, gears, and spindle for cracks or slack. These mechanical issues cause inconsistent spin and tracking, so replace worn parts to restore reliable disk reading. Reassemble the drive into the chassis, reconnect power and data, and replace the screws evenly so the drive mounts squarely. Once reassembled, power up and test several disks, then run any available disk calibration or system update to ensure firmware compatibility. If errors persist, swap in a known good drive or replace the laser module, because degraded laser power or electronics are common end-of-life failures. Troubleshooting tip: if intermittent, monitor temperature and vibration.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.